How to change font in Samsung. So if you want to change your Samsung phone font style or font size, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your Samsung phone font style or font size, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung. Once you open the settings app, you're going to scroll down, then click on display. Now, under display, you want to scroll down the page, locate font size and style and click on it. Now, once you click on font size and style, scroll down. Now, to change your font on your Samsung, click on font style. Now, here you have access to all available fonts on your Samsung. You can use the default Samsung font style, or come here, choose any of these font styles of your choice, or better still, click on font style, click on download font. Here, you'll be taken to the Samsung store, where you'll be able to search for all available fonts, either paid or free. Then you can see new. So if you want to show install, then you should see your installed Samsung font here. You can also come here, click on the search button and search for your font. So just search for your font here. So if the font is available, then you'll be able to see the font and download it. So I just come here, fonts, search for it, then check through and download the available font you want to use. So once you download the available font, and just hit the back button, come back to the font style page and then select the font style. Once you select the font style, hit the back button. Here you can change the font size, so to make it a bit bigger. And once you're done, you can also make the font style bold to put in all the fonts on your Samsung. Then hit the back button. You see the Samsung font changed. See that? So that is basically how to change font in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.